Question number 24. Jamaican British artist Willard Wigan is known for his remarkable blank, so small that they are best viewed through a microscope. Wigan's sculptures are made from tiny natural materials such as spiderweb strands. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? So if you said C, that's the right answer. Micro sculptures, period creations. C is the best answer because the convention being tested is punctuation between sentences. So in this choice, the period is used to correctly mark the boundary between one sentence. So one sentence, which is Jamaican British artist Willard Wigan is known for his remarkable micro sculptures. Then after that, period. And another sentence which starts with creations and it goes up till strands. So the noun phrase beginning with creations modifies the subject of the next sentence, Wigan's sculptures. Noun phrase which begins with creations, this one will modify the subject of the next sentence, which is Wigan's sculptures, which is separated by the comma. So choice A is incorrect because it results in a run-on sentence. The sentences Jamaican micro sculptures and creation strands are fused. There is no punctuation between micro sculptures and creations at all. And there is no punctuation or a conjunction also. So that is not correct. And B is incorrect because it results in a comma splice. There is a comma in answer choice B. A comma can't be used in this way to mark the boundary between sentences. Choice D is incorrect. Without a comma preceding it, the conjunction and, there is no comma before the and, cannot be used in this way to join sentences. So the best answer is C with the period. So I hope that's it.